Eliminate mechanical seal failure headaches, downtime, and cost with enclosed column pumps. An estimated 85% of pump repairs are due to seal failure. Gusher's enclosed column vertical pumps eliminate this point of failure with a sealless design. Here's how this simple and reliable design works. Based on our proven 7550 series pump, this design reduces leakage across the throttle bushing into the column. The dynamically balanced impeller features pump-out vanes on the back that minimize pressure at the throttle bushing, further reducing leakage. The added outer column collects fluid bypass, which is returned to the suction or supply tank. Here is a typical enclosed column flow simulation. Replacement of leaking horizontal pumps is quick and easy. The new pump is the same pump size and performance in a smaller overall footprint. Minimal retrofitting is required to accommodate the new leak-free pump. Seal failure repairs are eliminated, and users are guaranteed years of reliable operation with minimal maintenance. Visit www.gusher.com to learn more.